Welcome to the channel. If you're looking to keep your pool spotless without lifting a finger, an automatic pool cleaner is a must-have. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best automatic pool cleaners, carefully selected for their cleaning power, energy efficiency, ease of use, and reliability. Whether you have an above-ground or in-ground pool, these machines will save you time and effort while keeping your water sparkling clean. Be sure to check the description for the most up-to-date prices and detailed product info. And if you enjoy smart home and outdoor gear tips, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Let's get started, beginning with number 5 on our list. Number 5. EZIOOV Cordless Automatic Pool Cleaner. The EZIOOV Y60 vacuum is a fully automatic solar pool skimmer designed for hassle-free, all-weather operation. Featuring dual charging options, via premium solar panel or a 3-hour fast adapter, it ensures uninterrupted cleaning even on cloudy or rainy days. Simply place the cordless cleaner on the pool surface, and it activates automatically within 10 seconds, requiring no manual setup or programming. Built with a debris collection basket and durable fan blades, the skimmer effectively traps leaves, pollen, insects, or pet hair while preventing leaks. Its compact and lightweight construction makes it suitable for both in-ground or above-ground pools, and it is compatible with standard pool skimmer poles. With its reinforced, leak-proof design and solar or plug-in charging options, it's ideal for round-the-clock cleaning. The device also comes with a 12-month warranty, offering peace of mind and reliable support. Enjoy a cleaner pool with less effort using the intelligent, energy-efficient EZIOOV Y60. Number 4. Gosvor Pivot Cordless Automatic Pool Cleaner. The Gosvor Pivot Robotic Pool Cleaner offers an all-in-one solution for maintaining a clean or safe swimming environment. Designed to clean walls, floors, or slopes, it handles various pool shapes or surfaces with ease. Powered by an advanced dual motor system, the pivot delivers exceptional agility and strong suction, efficiently removing dirt, dust, or leaves. Its smart navigation algorithms ensure optimized cleaning paths, minimizing effort while maximizing cleanliness. The large fine filter captures both small particles or large debris, reducing maintenance frequency and enhancing water quality. Lightweight and cordless, it features quick drainage and an intuitive control button for true convenience. Just drop it in or walk away. The battery-powered design eliminates tangled cords, and the unit is simple to lift for storage or cleaning. Whether for above-ground or in-ground pools, Gosvor Pivot brings high performance, user-friendly operation, or dependable results, making pool maintenance effortless for homeowners seeking reliability and thorough cleanliness. Number 3. Bubbloo Automatic Pool Cleaner. Experience unmatched pool cleaning power with the Bubbloo Bubit 300p Robotic Cleaner. Featuring Bluehole technology, it offers 2x the suction strength, 4x better leaf removal, and 7.5x greater efficiency in capturing debris between 3 mm or 8 mm. With DirtLock Tech 2.0, enjoy leak-free cleanups as debris, leaves, or sand are securely trapped. Just lift and drain in 5 seconds with zero spills. Its smart sensing system enables automatic direction changes on contact and low battery auto parking near the pool edge. The LED indicator offers real-time cleaning status with 4 easy-to-read color signals. Designed for cordless convenience, the Bubit 300p runs up to 90 minutes on a single charge, ideal for above-ground pools up to 850 square feet. Say goodbye to tangled cords or hoses and hello to effortless maintenance. Backed by a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, Bubbloo ensures a stress-free, efficient pool cleaning experience for every user. Number 2. Pseudo Cordless Automatic Pool Cleaner. Discover the Pseudo Crab Robotic Pool Cleaner, a reliable, cordless solution designed for effortless maintenance. Equipped with advanced 3D Navi technology, it efficiently collects debris and scrubs pool floors or walls for over 1.5 hours of uninterrupted performance. Its powerful 45,000 pascals suction outperforms typical cleaners, enhanced further by dual front or back scrubbers that tackle stubborn dirt with ease. Audio or LED alerts keep you informed during operation, from power on to low battery, or when actively cleaning. The lightweight design makes lifting the cleaner from the pool simple, especially when it auto-parks at the wall for easy retrieval. Designed with user convenience in mind, the Pseudo-Crab features a unique, long-lasting replaceable battery, eliminating the hassle of full replacements. Whether you have a tiled, vinyl, or concrete pool, this cleaner adapts seamlessly, offering a hands-free, efficient clean every time. Trust Pseudo for a smarter, cleaner, and easier pool care experience. Number 1. Dolphin E10 Automatic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin E10 is your go-to robotic pool cleaner, combining simplicity, performance, and advanced technology. Designed for above-ground pools, it features an active scrubbing brush that eliminates dirt or debris without damaging delicate surfaces, no manual scrubbing needed. Its top-load filter basket makes maintenance easy, just lift, rinse, and enjoy crystal-clear water. With plug-or-play efficiency, setup is effortless. Plug it in, drop it in the water, and your pool is spotless in just 1.5 hours. The E10 uses smart navigation technology, which intelligently scans and maps your pool, adapting to various shapes or surfaces for maximum cleaning coverage. Weighing just 6.6 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to handle, yet built to last. Powered by corded electric, it delivers reliable performance every time. Backed by over 40 years of trusted Dolphin legacy, the E10 ensures a cleaner, healthier pool, so you can relax, swim, or play without the hassle of manual cleaning. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.